Hi friends, today we are going to learn about slice method in JavaScript. The slice method in JavaScript is used to create a shallow copy of a portion of an array or string without modifying the original array or string. It can be particularly useful when you want to extract a subset of elements from an array or string, or when you need to create a new array based on existing ones. Now let's see the syntax of slice method. Array.slice with round bracket with the start and end. Now the start position, it's an optional. The index at which to start extracting. If omitted, that means if we don't want to remove, if we don't want, it defaults to 0. If negative, it counts from the end of the array that starts with -1 is the last element. And end, this is also optional. The index at which to stop extracting but does not include the element at the index. If omitted, it slices the end of the array. If negative, it counts from the end of the array. Key points about slice method. The number one point is non-mutating. The slice method does not alter the original array. It will create a new array based on the requirement and returns a new array. It returns a new array and the original array is unaffected. In shallow copy, if the array contains a object or objects or arrays, it copies a reference to those objects, not deep copies. Now let's see one example with a slice with arrays. Here we have a number variable which is a array of 1 2 3 4 5. Now we have a number dot slice method which starts with 1 index and ends with 3 index. So extract elements from index 1 to 3, not including 3. So when you print that console.log slice numbers, the output is 2 and 3 because the number 1 is, the index is 0 1 2 3 4. So the 1 is 2 and the number 3 is 0 1 2 3. So it excludes this one and before the one will count. So 2 comma 3 is the output, and console.log numbers output is, this is output is 1 2 3 4 5. Original copy is unchanged. So the number that slice 1 comma 3 extracts the element index from 1 to 3 but not including index 3. So it returns 2 3. The original number array is not modified. And example 2, using slice with negative indices. So here we have a array of strings red, blue, green, yellow, purple, and so when we use colors dot slice with -3, so negative numbers start with -1 -2 -3. So extracts the last 3 elements -3. So -3, yellow and purple, that would be the output. Console.log last colors output is green, yellow, purple. Colors dot slice -3 starts from the third last element and extracts until the end of the array, giving us green, yellow, purple. Example, using slice with string. The slice method also works with the strings to extract a portion of the string. For example, here we have a const variable which is a greeting and we have a hello world. It counts with hello, HELLO, comma, space, WORLD with exclamation mark. So greeting dot slice, it starts with 0 and ends with 5. The 0 1 2 3 4 5. So already you know na, this last one will get excluded, the first hello will get printed. Console.log output is hello. and greeting.slice 0 comma 5 extract the substring from index 0 to 5 excluding the 5 resulting in hello. The summary: the slice method is used to extract a portion of an array string and returns a new array or string. It is non-mutating, meaning it does not alter the original array or string. You can use it with positive or negative indices to define the range you want to extract. So friends, this is all about slice method in JavaScript. Thank you.